Hey everyone, big USCIS update, and yes, it's a tough one. Q3 FY2025 numbers are out and approval rates for EB1A and EB2 NIW are dipping. USCIS is scrutinizing applications more closely, so if you're aiming for these green cards, the bar just got tougher. Today, we will cover three things. 1. What the numbers actually show. 2. Why approvals are dropping. 3. How you can strengthen your case. Good news? Total approvals are still strong. USCIS is processing petitions steadily. EB1A isn't collapsing, it's just under closer review. So, why the dip? Attorneys note that USCIS is being stricter at the final merits determination, the most subjective part of EB1A. More borderline applications naturally push the overall success rate down. Here is a pro tip. Don't just meet the three criteria, exceed them, add context. For example, if you judged a prestigious competition, explain its significance and name other prominent judges to highlight the prestige of your involvement. Extraordinary ability isn't about quantity, it's about impact. If you want guidance on hitting 5 criteria and acing final merits determination phase, check out our Smart Green Card VIP plan backed by over 200 approvals. Link in the description. Now EB2 NIW. This one took a bigger hit. Approval rates are 54%, down from a historical average 78%. The number of applications hasn't changed much, but USCIS is reviewing them much more carefully. The reason? Attorneys say there is a stricter interpretation of national interest. Especially in STEM and startup cases, USCIS now wants measurable proven impact in the US, not just potential. Here's what you can do. Highlight tangible contributions, jobs created, revenue, patents, or tech adoption. Show awards, grants, media coverage, and letters from US-based experts. Emphasize ongoing and future projects that benefit the US. Quick question. What's your biggest challenge? Proving impact or building solid documentation? Drop a comment and we'll guide you. A quick twist. Historically, EB2 NIW had higher approval rates than EB1A. Since 2024, that flipped. EB2 NIW is 54%, EB1A is 67%. What this means? EB2 NIW cases are facing more RFEs and are less predictable. EB1A, while demanding, is a bit more stable. The takeaway? Success now is all about strategic, evidence-backed preparation. USCIS rewards clarity and real-world impact, not just claims. If you're filing soon, focus on quality. Add context to your achievements, strengthen your evidence, and aim to exceed the minimum. Every detail counts. Q3 may look challenging, but with the right approach, your case can still stand out. If this helped, hit subscribe. We share USCIS updates and visa strategies every day. Remember, when your extraordinary ability is impossible to ignore, USCIS will take notice. Stay informed, stay prepared, build your story with confidence.